Okay, this is an ideal gas problem where we are given moles, volume in liters, and temperature in Kelvin. The question reads, what is the pressure in atmospheres exerted by a 0.500 mole sample of nitrogen gas in a 10-liter container at 298 Kelvin? Now this problem requires the equation PV equals nRT.
So temperature's got to be, this is like a training wheels problem. So temperature's got to be in Kelvin.
And pressure's got to be in atmospheres.
And then volume has to be in what? Okay, for PV equals nRT, it absolutely has to be in L. Because your R won't work with it. Your volume has to be in L. And the reason why this is a training wheels problem is because what they'll do in the next problem is instead of moles, they'll give it to you in grams. And then you got to do your grams to moles. So pressure is question mark. Volume is 10. N is 0.5.
R is the ideal gas constant from your textbook, 0.0821.
And T is 298. All right, so then you're going to divide by 10. Divide all that business by 10. So then it's 0.5 times 0.0821 times 298 divided by 10.
And pressure is 1.22 atmospheres.